you dislike foreigners, you are xenophobic because you are jealous, because you are lazy, because you are this and that. Who was taking care of this country before all these criminals arrived in South Africa? Who was working in those hotels? Who was cleaning the cities? Who was a domestic worker, a gardener, a security before all these things happened of the influx of illegal immigrants, even legal immigrants? Who was a teacher, a doctor that time? Because this thing started after 1994 of flooding of Africans to this place. Who was working for the white people in this country? Who was building all these road, houses, bridges? Is it not South Africans? Before 1994, this country was only receiving Amaske skills. Not everyone, not all these ubuzane, littering everywhere, selling tomatoes, pouring water on the streets, everywhere is smelling today in South Africa. Why? Because we have this kind of government who dislike the country. I don't know why all these people who are coming from outside South Africa, even these leaders, why are they all so dirty? Why are they all disliking into a clean? Because we've heard that all of them are related to these other African countries. They are not originally from South Africa. That is why they allow this littering and dirty in this country. No South African like to see dirt, whether black or white, Indian or colored. If that person is an original South African, that person will dislike to see something dirty. Before 1994, it was not even easy to throw a can of cold drink on the street because there were dustbins everywhere. Every street light, every pole was having a dustbin attached to it where you will throw, whether you are drinking, whatever you are eating an apple, you throw inside the dustbin, because once they see you throwing everywhere, or you just pee. And look at South Africa today. South Africa is smelling of urine. All over the place is urine. Why? Because where they are coming from, they urinate everywhere. They do number two everywhere. We've seen, even in Lagos, in the middle of a highway, you'll see a man bending down there doing number two. And we are expecting those people to stay in a civilized country like South Africa. Of course, it's their culture. Look at their towns, where they are coming from, their markets. It's flies everywhere. Everywhere is smelling. It's a chaos. There's no hygiene.